Would you like to be better than average speaker in Nigeria? Then you want to watch this video to the end. I am Temitope Downsy, and today I want to teach you the sound. It's a consonant sound and it's a voiceless sound also. Whenever you want to pronounce this sound, ensure that you bring out your tongue and you go. Okay. Oftentimes, most of us pronounce this sound as ts, and that robs us of that beauty we want our speech to have. So whenever you want to pronounce words that have th in them, okay, ensure that you're bringing out your tongue and saying. Now let's look at example of words where we can have the th sound sounding mouth, mouth, not mouth. Okay, mouth. You also have teeth, teeth, not teeth. Okay, you also have anthem, anthem, not anthem. We also have that sound in author, author, not author. You also have the sound in three, 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 number three. Now it's time to look at phrases where we can have the sound. You have the word thirsty athlete, thirsty athlete, healthy teeth, healthy teeth, and last but not the least, three authors are here, three authors are here. So from now on, whenever you want to pronounce a word spelled as th, the first thing to do is to bring out your tongue, and you would sound better than an average Nigerian. So ensure that you invite at least two of your friends to study with us by following our page. Okay, if you're listening to this on Instagram, invite two of your friends to follow our page. If you're listening to this on YouTube, ensure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Meanwhile, have you paid for our upcoming pronunciation course? It's going to be an online course, and there we would be looking at over 44 sounds of English language and how you can pronounce any English word without having to wait for someone to tell you if that is the right way of pronouncing such a word. Nice, right? Yes. So I hope to see you in class. Bye.